Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use stationary bicycle ergometer or foldable bicycle ergometer. A lot of people that come to the physiotherapy clinic or to hospital are encouraged to improve their physical activity levels. You can improve your physical activity levels by road walk or by mild aerobics, swimming, or by using stationary bicycle ergometer. So I'm going to show you how to use this, assuming you have it in your house or somebody gifts you with this bicycle ergometer. First, you have to remove the folding pin and unfold the bicycle. Then once you unfold the bicycle, then climb on the bicycle and ride. In some, there could be leg strap for people that may need the strap, especially people that have weak muscles. There are some that come with leg strap. You can just put on the strap and start riding. Then I'm going to show you the functionality. To increase the resistance or to make it hard, use this knob. If you move this knob clockwise, it makes it to be hard or increases the resistance of the bike. This could help to train muscles if you wish to build your muscle or to improve the muscle strength of the lower limb. To reduce the resistance or to make it easy, turn anti-clockwise. It becomes easy. Then this place is for picking the pulse. Pulse rate is the number of beats the heart makes per minute. So if you put your thumb here, it's going to pick your pulse rate. I'm going to show you how to interpret the monitor reading. If you start the bike, as you can see, this is reading. I want to start afresh. We start the bike, I want to start afresh to take the reading. Press reset. It will bring this into 0 level. Then if you start riding, remember this place is for pulse rate. Make sure your thumb is like this. Then the first thing you see here is speed. Okay, as I'm riding, let me repeat it again. This is pulse. P is for pulse. You can see pulse beeping. Calorie, CAL is for calorie. The amount of calorie you burn while riding this bicycle. Then time. You can see time beeping. How long have you ridden this bicycle? Then speed is for speed. What is the speed at which you are riding this bicycle? Then DIST is distance. How long have you covered? Odometer is total distance you have covered with this bicycle. Calorie, CAL, calorie. Time. Speed is for speed. The speed is kilometer per hour. Then distance is in kilometer, 0.24 kilometer. Then odometer is total distance you've covered with this bicycle. And this is where you increase and decrease the resistance. If you move clockwise, it becomes difficult. So make it easy. Move anti-clockwise. You can use these resistant bands to train the muscle strength of your upper limb or your hand. This is how to use it. You can use it to train the shoulder abductors. In this case, the resistant band helps to strengthen the muscles that abduct or move the shoulder away from the body. You can also use these resistant bands to train shoulder flexors. In this case, we are talking about muscles that help us to flex our shoulder. They can also be used to train shoulder extensors. Then you can use it to train elbow flexors, the biceps muscles. As you can see, the resistant band trains lots of muscles in our upper limb. There are numerous health benefits associated with using stationary bicycle ergometer. Number one, it gives us comfort that we need at our house, especially if you don't have time to go to the gym or to go for a walk or to go for a jog. Number two, it improves our fitness level. Number three, it improves the heart and lung function of the user called cardiopulmonary function. Number four, it helps to strengthen the muscles of the user. Number five, it improves joint range of motion. Physical therapists use this stationary bicycle ergometer to improve joint range of motion in people with various forms of degenerative or neurological diseases. Number five, it improves functional ability. Number six, for people that are involved in sporting or athletic activities, this bicycle ergometer can help to improve their performances. As you can see, there are numerous benefits associated with using this bicycle ergometer. You can try it today. It is very good for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. We have other amazing videos for you. Please give this video a thumb up. You can also check our website www.breezemedicare.co.uk. We have other amazing videos for you. Thank you for coming to our channel today. We are glad to have you.